Alright, so the problem is 0.92, and that's going to be, we're asking how many times does that go into 5.325. Well, you can divide by a decimal, so first I need to move the decimal to make 0.92 a whole number, so make it 92. But whatever I do to that, I also have to do to the inside. So we get a new problem. We get let me undo here. Where's my undo button? We get 92 going into 532.5 instead. So 92 can't go into 5 and it can't go into 53, so you keep going out until you find a number it can go into. So 92 can go into 532, and to figure out how many times, I do a little bit of rounding. So 92 is about 100 and 532 is about 500, so I'm going to guess that it goes in 5 times. So I put the 5 up above the 2 because that's how far out we had to go to find a number big enough. And 5 times 92 happens to be 460. So we bring down the 0.5. Actually, you don't really have to worry about bringing down the 0.5 as much as you need to worry about putting the point up on the top where the answer is. So the rest we can just subtract. And we basically get 725. And again, I'm going to guess that it'll go in 7 times because 92 is about 100, 725 is about 7. And if we do a quick 92 times 7, we get 644. And then we do the subtraction. And I see that I'm going to have to add some zeros out here, which is okay because putting zeros after the decimal does not change the value of the problem. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and 12 minus 4 is 8, and that's good. 81 is less than 92. Then we'll bring down a 0 and do this problem. Now the problem tells us to round to 3 decimal places, so we're going to have to go out to 4 so that we can round to 3. I'm going to see if I can shrink and make more space for myself here. So 92 goes into 810 7 times. I know that because of the problem we just did. And 7 times 92 is 644. Or maybe I don't know that, but I'm going to guess that. Well, we could check. Let's see. 92 times 8 is 730. Wait, did I do that right? 92 times 8, 736. Ah, yeah, that would probably be better, wouldn't it? Again, because 92 is about 100 and 810 is about 800. What happens if we don't use a number that's big enough, we end up with a remainder that's bigger than what we're dividing by. Alright, so 10 minus 6 is 4, and we borrowed, so it's going to be 10 minus 3, 74. Good. Bring another 0. Now it's 740, and we know that that's going to be another 8. And 8 times 92 is 736 with a remainder 4. And for our last one, we bring down another 0. So it's 40. And 92 doesn't go into 40, so that's just going to be 0. And now we have enough digits that we can round. We're rounding to 3 decimal places, so the one we're rounding is the 8. I look to the next number and it's less than 5, so the answer is going to be 5.788. That came out a little sloppy. Let me write it again. And that's it.